So today we're here Saturday at Southgate Community Center. Neighborhood and Community Services is partnering with the Capital Area Food Bank to deliver fresh produce to families in need in Reston, Virginia.
What we've done is that we've looked at partnering with the community to find out where there's a high need of community members who are low income and who really need access to nutritious food at no cost. And what we've done is that we put together a mobile marketplace. Our Northern Virginia office has looked at the Reston area, and they've located the Southgate Community Center as a great partner. And now what we do is we provide fresh produce at no cost to the residents here in this area.
So just today, we've counted about 240 people have come through here to receive fresh produce and vegetables. We have senior citizens that are coming here, Latinos, Asians. Poverty shows no color or creed, so there's a lot of families, low-income families in need in this area. This is our first time doing this here, and we will be doing this up until November 22nd, every fourth Saturday of the month.
There are other initiatives in the works right now for when you have a healthy thing like this. There's other organizations that are focused on health awareness that we're going to try and partner with and get them out. So this day would be a huge health day.
The feedback has been great. They're just so blessed and happy that this event is happening. They see Southgate as a hub of the community, and having this event here truly is a sign that we understand the demographics and truly care about the need for low-income families in this area to get the right food that they need to feed their families.
It's really heartwarming to know that there are people who can come out and receive the food in a really fun and pleasant way. It's our mobile marketplace, which is like a farmer's market for them.